Nobody break down with my knees on the ground. I still clown around, still standing my ground. I try to keep my head up from all this petty stuff. My life's hard enough, motherfuckers don't understand. Come around, preaching plans won't lend a hand. Yeah, I don't need your shit, cause I ain't really got time for your bullshit line. I gotta get what's mine. How many times must we contemplate what's on the plate before it's too late? People's mind mean mistake, it's only God's lessons left for us to make. It's on how you take my constant struggle, y'all. It's my everyday battle, pains that never seen us settle. Souls lost and torn, caught replacing the warm. Seen too many ghetto, now I'm tired, so tired of these fakes and my pro master deniers. Hustlers and gangsters, white shorties, Gina Major and already wide again, they pretend so young, shaking trust with a cry.